What is up, everyone? Jay Flores here for the vlog, and today I'm gonna teach you how to cook some seared pork chop with some sauteed onions. Let's go. Intro. So before we start, I just want to remind everybody that you should subscribe, because I would love that if you do. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to ring that bell. And please do let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and maybe may mga request kayo, anong gusto nyong lutuin ko, might as well just drop it in there, okay? And for the recipe today, simple, easy recipe. You just need a couple of ingredients. Will be done in 5 minutes. So watch till the end. Game. So that is it for the vlog, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home. Please make sure that you do. Kasi ang dali-dali lang nun. You can find the ingredients, well, not everywhere, but I'm sure there's some pork chops in there. You could just use pork steak or pork belly if you want. Just make sure to marinate it enough para mas malasa yung flavor. So if you've liked this one, give this video a thumbs up. Again, comment down below your requests or anong gusto nyong lutuin ko the next time around. Never forget to subscribe and ring that bell. Or is it here? I don't know. God bless. Peace.